Hi friends! Wavy hand, I'm Puppy Fun. Dogface, welcome to FunMind. Rainbow. I'm so happy you're here with me today. We have a little story, a colorful story, and a happy song. Musical note. Are you ready to watch and sing? Let's go together. Sparkles. Puppy Fun slowly walks into his room. Warm sunlight shines through the window. The room looks quiet, but then we see the floor. Oh no, toys are everywhere. Blocks are on the floor. A toy car is near the bed. A teddy bear is by the door. Puppy Fun's favorite ball is missing. Puppy Fun looks around carefully. He wants to play, but the room feels messy and confusing. He takes a step forward. Oops, he almost trips on a toy. Puppy Fun stops. He sits down and looks at the mess. He feels a little sad and a little tired. Then he thinks, maybe this room needs a change. Musical notes, my room is full of toys today. They're all around the floor. I want to laugh and run and play, but I can't do that anymore. Musical notes. Puppy Fun slowly stands up. He looks left. He looks right. Musical notes, is my ball behind the chair? Is it hiding somewhere near? Oh, my room is very messy. Time to clean and make it clear. Musical notes. Puppy Fun picks up one toy, then another. Musical notes, one toy up and two toys more. Put them gently in their place. Cleaning up can be so fun. See the smile upon my face. Musical notes. As Puppy Fun cleans, the room changes. The floor becomes clear. The colors become brighter. The room feels warm and happy again. Musical notes, look around. The room feels bright. Everything is clean and new. When I take good care of things, I feel proud of what I do. Musical notes. Suddenly, Puppy Fun sees his ball. Musical notes, there it is, my favorite ball, shining bright for me to see. Clean up first, then play again. That's the best way it can be. Musical notes. Puppy Fun plays happily in the clean room. He runs. He laughs. His tail wags with joy. Whoa! Glowing star, that was a wonderful story and song. When we clean up our toys, we feel happy, safe, and ready to play. Yellow heart. If you enjoyed this video, please like, thumb up, and subscribe white medium star to FunMind, so you can watch more fun stories, happy songs, and adventures with Puppy Fun. See you next time, my friends. Bye bye. Waving hand, Dogface Sparkles.